Today I am giving you example how to take care of small goat childs. You see, I just give them green grass and then they are eating. At morning I give them peanuts and wheat, jaggery and some salt mixture. This is how to take care. Small children. Tomorrow I am going to give them worm medicine so that their stomach will be clean and it will help them for digestion. These are babies. You see. So daily we have to give them time. We have to observe them, take care of them. Then only it is possible. Yes, our small cat. Okay. So thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and my friend, please subscribe.